Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a 2013 Dodge Charger and I will show you how to program your garage door opener. This video should apply to 7th generation of Dodge Chargers made from 2011 all the way up to 2023. Now this is a 2013 and there was a facelift in 2015, but I'm pretty sure everything should be the same. If this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel, or becoming a channel member. Now first I will show you how to empty the memory of your garage door opener and delete all information if you're not the first owner. So what you want to do, you want to press and hold these two buttons, number 1 and number 3, for like 15 or 20 seconds, and once this red light on the top starts blinking, that means it's been cleared. And once you do that, you can start programming your own garage door opener for your own garage. Now you might have either rolling or non-rolling garage door. If you have rolling garage door, you should have a button learn mode just behind your garage door, and first press that button, and then you want to get inside the vehicle. You want to have it turned off, and then you will press the start button twice to get it into the run position. And once you're in the run position, you will select one of the buttons, let's say the first one, and what you will do, you will hold it for 2 seconds and then release it, and then you will repeat that. So first hold it for a couple of seconds, then release it, then do it for the second time, and that should program your garage door. If it doesn't work, try it for the third time. Now in case you have a non-rolling garage door, you will again press start button twice. I'm not parked next to my garage right now, so I will use this key just to simulate what has to be done. And once you're in the run position, you will get your garage door opener remote close to these buttons here. You will press and hold the open button on the remote, and here number 1 at the same time, right? And hold it together for a couple of seconds and your garage door should be programmed and should be opening. Thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews, and other similar automotive topics.